Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about a serious issue. What is considered harassment by code enforcement? Code enforcement officers have an important job. They help keep our neighborhoods safe and clean by enforcing local laws. But what happens when an officer crosses the line? When does persistent enforcement become illegal harassment? It's a tricky line to define, but there are clear signs to watch for. It's important to understand that receiving a violation notice, even one you disagree with, is not automatically harassment. Multiple visits to check on a violation you haven't fixed also isn't harassment. The key is the officer's motive and pattern of behavior. So let's break down what might constitute harassment. First, consider excessive and unwarranted inspections. Is an officer showing up at your property multiple times a week for trivial, unfounded reasons? Are they looking for new things to cite you for every single time, even after you've corrected a previous issue? This constant, baseless scrutiny could be a form of harassment. Second, look for signs of targeting or discrimination. Are you being cited for having a portable basketball hoop in your driveway while dozens of your neighbors have the exact same thing and are ignored? This selective enforcement can be a major red flag, especially if you believe it's based on your race, who you are, or a personal grudge. A third sign is abuse of power and intimidation. An officer cannot use threatening language, demand entry into your home without a warrant or your permission, or issue citations for things that aren't even in the city code. Their job is to enforce existing rules, not to bully you into compliance with their personal preferences. Fourth, watch for retaliation. Did you recently file a complaint against an officer or speak out at a public meeting? If you suddenly find yourself buried in violation notices right after, it could be retaliation, which is illegal. If you believe you are being harassed, the first step is to document everything. Keep a detailed log of every interaction. Note the date, time, the officer's name, and exactly what was said or done. Take pictures and videos. Communicate with the Code Enforcement Department primarily through email so you have a written record. You should also get a copy of the specific city ordinances they claim you're violating and read them for yourself. If the behavior continues, you can escalate the issue by filing a formal complaint with the officer's supervisor, the head of the department, or even the city manager's office. In serious cases, you may need to consult with an attorney who specializes in municipal law or civil rights. Understanding your rights is the first step in protecting yourself from potential overreach. This can be a stressful situation, but remember that you have options. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more content that empowers you as a citizen.